Hello, my name is Isaiah Morrissey and I did the platypus for the species project. The scientific name is Ornithorhynchus anatinus. For the taxonomy, the kingdom is Animalia, phylum is Chordata, class is Mammalia, order is Monotremata, family is Ornithorhynchidae, genus is Ornithorhynchus, and the species is Ornithorhynchus anatinus. So the range is in Australia. Besides in the zoo, you're only going to find it in eastern Australia, ranging from Tasmania all the way up to North Queensland tropics. The habitat, they live near like any type of water source, like creeks, rivers, lakes, just any other water source you can think of. They build a small little simple burrow on the side of the riverbank or whatever body of water they're on. They typically live alone, but they will share a body of water with another platypus, and they hibernate during the winter in their burrows. So right here is just a picture of where they would be, where they would make their burrow on the side of a bank. So for reproduction, the babies are all born naked and have undeveloped limbs. They lay eggs that are soft-shelled and leathery. They mate in August, and the family eats a lot of food. The female eats a lot of food and makes a nesting burrow. And right here you can see, right off the side of the bank, you can see its nesting burrow. So for food, they like to eat freshwater shrimp, crayfish, worms and tadpoles, and pretty much any other small animal like larva or something like that. They don't have any teeth, so they use the ridges of their jaw to chew their food before they swallow. And they store the food in their cheeks while they're like underwater, and then when they come back to the surface, they eat it. This is a picture of a platypus eating a worm underwater. So, how do you tell it's a platypus? Well, it can be difficult sometimes to tell if something is a platypus because they have otter-like feet and they have a beaver-like tail. But the one giveaway to figure out if it's a platypus or not is the duck beak on its face. So some interesting facts are their beak is venomous, so it's not very good if they bite you. Their fur is actually waterproof. They don't have a stomach, and the webbing on their feet can be retractable. That's my works cited. Thank you very much.